Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Jadeshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 9th maths. And our new chapter is Heron's formula. Student, I hope you are completed your last chapter, that is construction. And in this chapter, that is Heron's formula, we learn about mensuration, about area of some figure, some plane figure. Okay, understand? So in this chapter we also learn area of triangle. Okay, so in your earlier classes, you have already learned about perimeter and area of closed plane figures. Okay, such as square, triangle, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium and special type of triangles. The perimeter of a closed plane figure is the length of its boundary, that is the sum of length of its sides, and the unit of measurement of perimeter is the unit of length. Okay, the area of a closed plane figure is the measurement of the region enclosed by its boundary. जो भी रीजन उसके एनक्लोज हो रहा है, सपोज ट्रेंगल है, ट्रेंगल के एनक्लोज जो बाउंड्रीज हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एरिया ऑफ दैट फिगर. Okay, understand now, and it is measured in square unit, that is square centimeter or square meter or square kilometer, etc. Okay, in this chapter we shall find area of some more closed plane figure and shall learn a special formula known as Heron's formula for finding the area of any triangle. Okay, understand now, including scalene triangle means अभी तक हम कौन से ट्रायंगल्स का एरिया फाइंड कर सकते थे? इफ द ट्रायंगल इज equilateral triangle, okay, or if it is a right angle triangle. Now we have find the area of all the triangles, means including scalene triangle also, which have all the sides in different measurement. Okay, we shall also learn the application of Heron's formula in calculating area of quadrilateral. Okay, understand? So student, here we know some area of some plane figures, that is area of some special quadrilateral, that is area of square. What do you mean by area of square? A square, or we can say that side into side, it's a area of square. Now what about area of rectangle? When we talk about area of rectangle, so area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth is a area of a rectangle, or we can say that L into B, where L is the length and B is the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, understand? Now what do you mean by area of parallelogram? So area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. The height of parallelogram is the distance between its base and the side parallel to the base. Okay, नाउ सेम एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस. एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस इज ए बी सी डी. अगर कोई ए बी सी डी रोम्बस है, सो उसका एरिया होगा बेस इंटू हाइट, और वी कैन से दैट एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ डायगोनल्स. Okay, these two are the formula for finding area of rhombus. If base and height is given, so you can find area of rhombus with the formula of base into height, and if the diagonals is given, then you can easily find the area of rhombus is equal to 1/2 into product of diagonals. Okay, understand? And we can also learn in 8th standard area of trapezium, that is 1/2 into sum of parallel side into height. The height of trapezium is the distance between its parallel sides. Okay, and we know that area of triangle. What is area of triangle? So area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. In our previous classes we learned area of triangle is 1/2 base into height. Any side of the triangle can be taken as its base. Then the length of perpendicular from the vertex opposite to this side is called the corresponding height. Okay, अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ एरिया ऑफ सम स्पेशल ट्रायंगल्स. अगर हम एरिया फाइंड करना चाहें कुछ स्पेशल ट्रायंगल का, तो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल का वी कैन इजीली फाइंड, विच इज 1/2 बेस इनटू height, or we can say that base into perpendicular. Okay, product of side containing right angle. Okay, see if right angle, we know that this is the right angle triangle. Just a minute. You can see this is right angle triangle. So What is the area of this right angle triangle? So we can say that area of right angle triangle is 1 by 2 into base means this side and height means this side. ओके अंडरस्टैंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ साइड कंटेनिंग राइट एंगल, जिससे राइट एंगल बन रहा है वो दोनों साइड्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके नाउ what is the area of equilateral triangle? So we know that if ABC any equilateral triangle, just a minute. So student, normally we use area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Okay, and we see that when the triangle is right angle, and we can directly apply the formula by using two sides containing the right angle and base and height. For example, suppose that the side of the right angle ABC is equal to 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter. We take base 12 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. Then the area of right angle triangle is 1 by 2 into 12 into 5, that is 30 centimeter square. Okay, note that we could also take 5 centimeter as the base and 12 centimeter as the height. Now suppose we want to find the area of equilateral triangle. So if the triangle is equilateral and suppose the triangle is PQR with side 10 centimeter. Okay, so in this triangle each and every side having 10 centimeter length. Okay, now to find its area we need its height. Can you find the height of this triangle? So when we want to find the height of this triangle, so we want to draw in altitude. Okay, हमें क्या ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा, एक altitude ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. Let us recall how we find its height when we know its side. This is possible in an equilateral triangle. Take the midpoint of QR, हमने QR का midpoint M ले लिया and join it to P. So we know that PMQ is a right angle triangle. Now therefore by using Pythagoras theorem we can find the length of PM also. Means हम इस वाली side की भी length find कर लेंगे. Which side? This side. Okay, so we can easily find the length of this side also. And then when we find the length of this side and we know that M is the midpoint, so what is the length of QM? QM is 5 centimeter. Okay, and we easily find the length of PM. Okay, understand? So PM is equal to 5√3 हमारा आंसर आया. Okay, now we can find the area of triangle. Means equilateral triangle के केस में भी हम area find कर सकते हैं. Okay, and when the triangle is isosceles, so again we can find the area of triangle with the help of altitude. Okay, हम उस पर perpendicular डाल करके उसका area find कर सकते हैं. But if the triangle is isosceles, if the triangle is scalene, see here, यहाँ दो sides equal हैं, so आप easily इसका क्या find कर सकते हैं, area find कर सकते हैं with the help of altitude. Okay, understand? And in isosceles triangle में भी हम उसको altitude डालकर. But if the triangle is scalene, then how to find the area of triangle? So student, if the triangle is scalene, then how to find? Because this triangle and does not having equal sides. Okay, now suppose that we know the length of the side of a scalene triangle and not the height, then can you still find its area? For instance, you have a triangular park whose side is 40 meter, 32 meter and 24 meter. How will you calculate area? Definitely if you want to apply the formula, you will have to calculate its height. But we do not have a clue to calculate the height. Again, so if you are not able to get it, then go to next session, that is our area of triangle by Heron's formula. And who is Heron's? Heron's was born in about 10 AD, possibly in Alexandria in Egypt. He worked in applied mathematics. His work on mathematical and physics subjects are so numerous and varied that he is considered to be an encyclopedic writer in this field. His geometrical work deal largely with problem on mensuration written in 3 books. Okay, book I deal with the area of square, rectangle, triangle, trapezoid means trapezium, various other specialized quadrilateral. The regular polygon, circle, surface of cylinder, cones, sphere, etc. In this book, Herones has derived the famous formula for the area of triangle in the term of 3 sides. ओके अब सी हमें अगर ट्रेंगल राइट एंगल था देन वी कैन इजीली फाइंड द राइट एंगल ट्रेंगल का तो हम एरिया फाइंड कर सकते हैं 1/2 बेस इंटू हाइट. बट इफ द ट्रेंगल इज इक्विलेटरल देन वी ऑल्सो फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रेंगल विद द हेल्प ऑफ एल्टीट्यूड और परपेंडिकुलर डाल करके हमने उसको फाइंड कर लिया. आइसोसेलेस ट्रेंगल के केस में भी हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं. बट व्हेन द ट्रेंगल इज स्केलन और एनी अदर टाइप देन हाउ टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रेंगल. So student, the formula given by Herones is as known as Herones formula. Okay, and area of triangle is root s minus 1, s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. Okay, where a, b and c are the side of the triangle and s is the semi-perimeter. That is half the perimeter of triangle. And you know how to find the perimeter. We know if sides are given then we can easily find the perimeter. If this is a, this is b, this is c, so perimeter is equal to हो जाएगा a plus b plus c. And what do you mean by half of perimeter? अगर मैं perimeter का half करूँ सेमी perimeter s फाइंड करना चाहती हूँ तो मैं करूँगी p upon 2. p is a plus b plus c upon 2. Okay, understand? So this way you can find the semi perimeter. Now S is the semi-perimeter and ABC is the height, side of the triangle. Okay, understand? So here this formula is helpful where it is not possible to find the height of the triangle. अगर कहीं पर triangle की height find करना possible नहीं है तो भी ये formula हमें useful रहेगा to find the find area of any triangle. Okay, let us apply it to calculate the area of triangular part ABC जो हमें ऊपर दिया हुआ है mentioned above means 40 meter, 24 meter and C is equal to 32 meter. Then what can you do? हम सबसे पहले क्या फाइंड करेंगे? सेमी पैरामीटर फाइंड करेंगे. हाउ टू फाइंड द सेमी पैरामीटर? सम ऑफ ऑल द साइड्स अपॉन 2. Okay, so our semi parameter is 48 meter. Okay, when we add 40 plus 24 plus 32 and when divide it by 2, so our answer is 48 meter. Okay, so this is our semi parameter. Now s minus a means 48 minus 40, s minus b is 48 minus 24 and s minus c is equal to 48 minus 32. So हमें तीनों चीज मिल गई. Therefore area of part ABC is equal to under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Okay, it is the Heron's formula. So when we put the value of all the things, so we can get 48 into 8 into 24 into 16. So we get 384 meter square. Okay, understand? So this is your answer. Therefore the side of the part make a right triangle, the largest side that is BC. See, अब हम अगर इसको we see that हमारे पास आंसर क्या आया उसका 384 मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ अब हमें अगर हमें दूसरी चीज़ से देखना है, दूसरी साइड से हम देखना चाहें तो हम जो एल्टीट्यूड डालते हैं उस हिसाब से अगर हम करना चाहें तो हम देखते हैं वी सी दैट 32 स्क्वायर प्लस 24 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1024 प्लस 576 दैट इज 1600 और वो हमें मिल रहा है 40 का स्क्वायर. देयरफॉर द साइड ऑफ द पार्ट मेक अ राइट ट्रायंगल. अब यहाँ पर हमें पता चल रहा है कि जो साइड्स हैं वो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल बना रही है. दैट इज बी सी which is 40 meter will be the hypotenuse and the angle between the side AB and AC will be 90 degree. ओके, अब यहाँ पर हम इसको देख सकते हैं जब वो साइड्स का हम स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं तो वो तीसरी साइड के स्क्वायर के बराबर है. मीन्स दैट इज राइट Pythagoras theorem is true and if the Pythagoras theorem is true then the triangle is the right angle triangle. Okay, now 1 by 2, 32 into 24, our answer is 384 meter square. So see, both way we can get same area. Okay, now using Heron's formula, you verify this fact by finding the area of other triangle discussed earlier. जैसे equilateral triangle with side 10 cm or isosceles triangle with unequal side 8 cm and each equal side is 5 cm. ओके, यू विल सी दैट हम जब इसको निकालेंगे तो हमारा वो एरिया जो हमने लास्ट फॉर्मूले से निकाला था इक्वल आएगा. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सो दिस इज अवर हेरोन फॉर्मूला. एस इंटू एस माइनस ए, एस माइनस बी, एस माइनस सी, दैट इज हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला. एंड दिस एस माइनस ए, एस माइनस बी एंड एस माइनस सी. So here S is the semi-parameter, and how to find the semi-parameter? When you find the parameter and divided by 2, so you can get the semi-parameter. Okay, so this is your Heron's formula, and in this formula you can find parameter of area of any triangle. Okay, understand? See the example. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 8 cm and 11 cm, and the parameter is 32 cm. Here we have parameter of the triangle is given, that is 32 cm, and two sides are given, that is 8 cm and 11 cm. Third side C is equal to 30. हम third side निकाल सकते हैं. We know that parameter is equal to sum of all the sides. If the parameter is given, so what we can do, P is equal to A plus B plus C, we know that. And if A and B is given and we want to find the C, then what we can do, we can do AP minus A plus B is equal to C. So this way you can find the C. So we find C, that is C is equal to 32 centimeter minus 8 plus 11, so we can get 13. Okay, now what is S? So S is equal to होगा हमारा 32 upon 2, because parameter is given, that is 32, so we can get 32 upon 2. Okay, understand? So we can get S is equal to 16 centimeter. S minus A, S minus B and S minus C we have find, and then we write the formula and put the values. Okay, understand? Now a triangular park ABC has side 120 centimeter, 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter. Okay, a gardener Dhania has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. How much area does she need to plant? Find the cost of fencing it with barbed wire at the rate of 20 rupees 20 per meter, having a space 3 meter wide of for a gate of one side. Okay, understand? So for finding area of the park we have 2s हमें निकालना पड़ेगा पहले. 50 plus 80 plus 120, so we can get 250. So what is S? S is what, 250 upon 2, that is 125. Now we find S minus A, S minus B and S minus C also. Okay, understand? So here S minus A, 125 minus 120, so we can get 5 meter. 125 minus 80, we can find 45 meter. S minus C, that is 125 minus 50, so we get 75 meter. Okay, therefore area of park is S into root S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, and put the values. When we put the value, so we get 125 root 125 into 5 into 45 into 75 meter square, and our answer is 375 into root 15 meter square. Now also parameter of the park, we know that 250 meter, and therefore length of wire needed for fencing. अब वायर कितना लगेगा हमें, ऑब्वियस है जो हमारा पैरामीटर होगा उसी के हिसाब से हमें वायर लगेगा. ओके, So 250 minus 3, बिकॉज कितना मीटर लेफ्ट है, टू बी लेफ्ट फॉर गेट, गेट के लिए कितने मीटर लेफ्ट है, 3 मीटर लेफ्ट है. ओके, सो 250 मीटर माइनस 3 मीटर. ओके, सो वी कैन गेट 247 मीटर. नाउ एंड सो द कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग इज ₹20 per meter. So 247 into 20 and we can get our answer for ₹4940. Okay, understand? So this way we can find the questions. Okay student, now let's see question number example number 3. So what is the example number 3? The side of triangular plot are in the ratio. If the ratio is given, so it's very easy to find. Okay, parameter आपको find आपको sides find करना बहुत easy होता है when the ratio is given. Okay, so suppose the side of the meter that the side in meter is 3x, 4x, 3x, 5x and 7x. Then we know that 3x plus 7x plus 5x is equal to 300 meter because parameter is given. Okay, so first we find the x, value of x. 15x is equal to 300, so x is equal to 20. So if the value of x is known, so we have find the value of all the sides. Okay, so 3 into 20, 5 into 20 and 7 into 20. So we can get 60 meter, 100 meter and 140 meter as side of the triangles. Okay, now we find the semi parameter, means s is equal to 60 plus 100 plus 140 upon 2 and our semi parameter is 150. Okay, our when we get the semi parameter, then write the formula. 150 minus 60, 150 minus 100 and 150 minus 140, and you can get your answer, that is 1500 root 3 meter square. Okay, so this way we complete the Heron's formula. This Heron's formula used to find the area of any triangle. Okay, and where s is equal to semi parameter. And how to find the semi parameter? When we divide parameter by 2, so we can get the semi parameter. Okay, understand? So complete these 3 examples which we complete today, and this is our Heron's formula. Okay, so remember it. Have a good day.